morning, students. Now all of you see page number 14. I am reading about some methods of soil conservation. Mulching. This is the first method. Mulching method means what? So try to understand and listen carefully. In this method, the bare ground means open ground, open land. Between plants is cover means bare ground between plants means open land which is between plant, it is covered. The open ground between plants is covered. How? With a layer of organic matter like a straw. By placing straw, open ground between plants which is covered. By this method we can cover the open or bare ground. It helps to retain soil moisture. Retain means to keep. So it prevents, it helps to keep soil moisture. Moisture means wetness. This is one of the important method. Now contour barriers. Contour means what? Boundary, usually of curved shape. Barriers means obstacles. So contour barriers which are placed. How? By using stones, grass, soil are used to build barriers. So barriers which are made by using, and how barriers? Contour means here curved shape. After that, trenches are made in front of the barriers. Why? For collecting water. This is one of the method, contour barriers. Now another is a rock dam. Rocks are piled up. Piled up means here made up or collected. Rocks are collected, and a dam which is made by collecting rocks. Why? To slow down the flow of water. This prevents gullies. Here gullies means channel, water channel, and further soil loss also. Now terrace farming. Here you can see the picture of terrace farming. Just see carefully. You can see steep slope, and on steep slope terrace cultivation is done. These are made on the steep slopes so that flat surfaces are available. Now here you can see the flat surfaces. By cutting the by cutting the slopes, steep slopes, now flat surfaces are available or cut down. That flat surfaces are available to grow crops. They can reduce means these are flat surfaces which are available by after cutting down, which are available, which are made flat surfaces. Now on the flat surfaces the crops are grown, and they can reduce surface runoff and soil erosion. Now another method is intercropping. Different crops are grown in alternate rows. Alternate means in by turn rotation. Different crops are grown, as well as the different crops are sown at different times to protect the soil from the rainwash. Counter plowing. Now here you can see the picture of counter plowing. Here counter means this is the, we can say, the curved shape plowing. Counter plowing which is done plowing parallel to the contours of a hill slope to form a natural barrier. Now natural barrier obstacles which are made by doing the counter plowing for water to flow down the slope. You can see the figure 2.6. Now shelter belts. This is the shelter belts. You can see picture. In the coastal and dry regions, rows of trees are planted to check the wind movement. means rows of trees are planted. How? In a row, to check the wind movement as well as to protect soil cover. Now here we have studied about some methods of soil conservation. You read carefully and try to understand. Thank you very much.